Today, we are also following developments in the investigation into President Joe Biden's son, Hunter. Attorney General Merrick Garland appointed a special counsel in that ongoing probe. Action News reporter John Paul joining us live from the Satellite Center with more on what we're learning about this investigation. John.
Yeah, great. I mean, this appointment comes just a few weeks after that negotiated plea deal with prosecutors fell apart in a Wilmington courtroom. And today I talked to an expert who believes it's likely we could see the president's son going to trial.
Here today to announce the appointment of David Weiss as a special counsel.
With that announcement, the investigation into Hunter Biden enters a new stage. The U.S. attorney in Delaware, David Weiss, has been investigating the president's son since he was appointed by President Trump in 2018 for tax offenses, drug use, and foreign business dealings. We learned in late July that Hunter Biden would plead guilty to tax issues and drug charges, but the judge rejected the plea agreement. Today, I talked to former Philadelphia Assistant District Attorney Tom Malone about the change.
If they want to proceed to a trial, they're going to have to indict Hunter Biden. The new phase that they're in would be one where they actually have to get ready for trial and be in a jurisdiction where they can hold a trial.
The tax charges that Hunter Biden is accused of took place outside of Delaware, so Weiss would not have jurisdiction. But this appointment changes that.
If they were to proceed by indictment in Delaware against Hunter Biden on those two tax charges that we've been talking about, they would be dismissed immediately because they did not occur in Delaware.
Another reason for the special counsel, Hunter Biden, of course, is the president's son. Special counsel would have the independence from the Department of Justice to prevent political pressure from steering the case, something the Attorney General touched on today.
The appointment of Mr. Weiss reinforces for the American people the department's commitment to both independence and accountability in particularly sensitive matters.
Now, this afternoon, representatives for Hunter Biden did release a statement. I want to read part of it for you, saying we expect a fair resolution not infected by politics, and we'll do what is necessary on behalf of Mr. Biden to achieve that. Live in the Satellite Center, John Paul, Channel 6 Action News. Sarah?
Okay. John, thank you.